Welcome. If you want to hard reset your Powerbeats version 3 wireless, at the first let's go for the Bluetooth settings, then click on the device, and as you can see they are connected, right? So what we have to do, we have to grab our earphones and then click and keep holding this button. So click and keep holding. And we have to wait until this indicator change color on red. Keep holding all the time. And as you can see right now, the indicator blinks on the white and the red color, and right now it's turned off, and it means that they are reset. So right now we can easily connect them one more time. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.